Da-da-da! It's all finished. Hey guys, it's the Creative Lefty, and today I'm going to be making a DIY face mask, and I'm going to be hand sewing it. You guys can use a sewing machine. I'm just going to hand sew because that's what I'm good at, and I'm not very experienced with sewing machines. So, anyways, let's get on to the video. Okay. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of paper. You only need one. I don't know why I grabbed 3, but I'm just going to go ahead and put those aside. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just make the face mask pattern first. And so if you are a kid, get a compass. This is a kid size. If you're making it for yourself and your kid, or if you're making it for a kid, this is like small kid size. And I'm making one for myself, so I am a kid. So I'm just going to get 11 centimeters. And you can do higher than that if you're an adult. I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Okay, so I'm going to draw a half circle. It's not really a half circle, but it's gonna turn out to be a half circle. I'm just gonna cut it like that. And I will make just a straight line. I'll just use this as a pencil. This. So I have my template pattern, and then I'm going to cut it out. So now that you have this cut out, I'm going to go pick 2 fabrics. You can also pick the same fabric if you don't want it to be reversible. I mean, it will be reversible either way, but I think it's kind of fun, so you can have like 2 different color masks or something like that. So I'm going to pick out some fabrics. Okay, so my plan here is just to pick out kind of a busy fabric and take one of the colors out of the busy fabric and try to find that solid color. So here we have maybe a polka dot. That would be cute. Oh, my strap's getting away. Put that around my neck. Okay. If I can get this open, we have like a polka dot here. You can see that. I'm going to put this in one that I kind of like. Okay, and that is a pinky color, and it has some brown in it too. So I will pick a pink or a brown if we have a pink or a brown. I also kind of like this fabric too. It would be cute for a mask, but I don't know if it's the right material. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's just not the right material. And like this one too, it's just not the right material. Kind of scratchy almost. I kind of like this one. I don't know, it seems plain. But I kind of like this tan. It would go well with this polka dot. And I think I'm going to go with it. Okay, so update. This is not a fabric. It's a sheet. So I can't use it. So I'm going back in to find another one. Alrighty, so I found this flower fabric. I think it goes with this other fabric that I chose really well. But anyways, I'm gonna go cut these fabrics to this pattern and I will show you guys that in just a second. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and trace the pattern on the fabric. Make sure you're tracing it on the back side so it doesn't show up on your actual mask. Okay, so I just cut these two out, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fold them in half and try to make the best crease I can. You can't really crease very well in fabric. Just try to make the best crease I can in both of them. Okay, so now we're going to open them up and cut on the crease. So we're just essentially just cutting them in half. Okay, so now that we have 4 pieces, I'm going to take 2 of them, put the other 2 aside, and take this one and put it front side up, and this one back side up. Line them up. And you're going to want to sew right on this line. Now that I have this piece of fabric sewed, I'm going to go and sew the other piece of fabric. Okay, so next what you're going to do is you're going to take your one of your fabrics and you're going to take your 7-inch elastic and you're going to just lay it down like this on the fabric, and then put the other fabric bottom side up over it. And this is how you are going to sew the elastic like this. So when we inside it out, this will be in the middle of the 2 fabrics. Okay, so I have it sewn from here all the way to here. I'm going to leave a little gap right here so I can get it inside out for when I need to actually turn it inside out for the final product. But anyway, I'm just going to sew right here, leave a gap. Don't leave too small of a gap because it is pretty hard to pull through. But anyway, I'm going to go sew it. Okay, so now I'm done sewing all of this, and I still have this little part that's not sewn yet, and I'm going to turn it inside out. And just a good trick is you want to take the elastic and like use that to pull it a little bit. It's kind of tricky. Here we go. Boom. The mask. And you don't have to leave, I guess you probably should stitch this shut. This little part right here where it's open, just fold the ends in and start sewing. Ta-da! It's all finished. It's great. I love the fabrics and the colors. And I'm going to try it on. I'll try this side first because this is my favorite side. Haha. It fits pretty good. Hold on, I'm gonna take my mask off so you can hear me better. Okay, so it fits pretty good, except I think that next time maybe you might want to make the elastics a little bit longer because they're kind of pulling on my ears a little bit, but I think that will be okay because they might stretch out a little bit more over time. But anyways, overall, I really enjoyed making this, and I hope you guys will too. Okay, so I was just showing my family, and my mom suggested that I wear it upside down, which I could see why that never really occurred to me. So you wear it like this. Hold on. It's very hard to put on with one hand because I'm holding the camera with the other hand. But anyways, so I feel like this way could work too, or the way that I had it before, like this. I don't know. I mean, like, it's totally up to you guys how you want to wear your mask, but comment down below which way you like better, and yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up down below, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Please comment down below which way you would wear your mask and what fabrics you would use for your mask, what colors, what patterns, and also please share this video and my channel with all of your friends. And I will see you guys in my next video.